atomic radii, half of the internuclear distance. In a group, what will happens? In a period, what will happens? So actually, in a group means top to bottom. Group means top to bottom. So suppose take one example: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So normally consider the size. So lithium is a small size. So compared to lithium size, potassium, and in case of rubidium, see the students. So this is a top to bottom group, 1A group. This is first group, 1A group. Here observe it. This is the radius. This is the radius from center to valence electron. This is the radius, students. So observe here from top to bottom, atomic radius is increases. So atomic radius increases. Why it is increases? That we should know the reason also. Due to increasing of number of shells. Due to increasing of number of shells or orbits. So with increasing number of shells, atomic radius increases. Then what about period? So normally group and period are opposite. Period means left to right. Period means left to right. From left to right, atomic radius decreases. Why it is decreases? See here, students, lithium, sodium. Sorry, we are taking period. So lithium, beryllium, magnesium. Sorry, we are taking period, no? So lithium, this is first group. Beryllium, second group. 1A. This is 1A. This is 2A. Next 3A element. Boron. Next carbon, 4th A. Nitrogen, 5th A. Oxygen, 6th A. Fluorine, 7th A. Here students observe it here. So lithium atomic number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Actually from 3 to 4 atomic number increases, and 4 to 5 atomic number increases, 5 to 6 atomic number increases. So from one element to another element, only one electron is increases. That means atomic number changed by only one. Actually up to 8 electron, there is only one shell is possible. But in case of top to bottom, from lithium to sodium, 8 electrons change is possible. But in case of period 3 to 4, only one electron change. So up to 8 electrons, there is no new shell. So increasing of shell is not possible, because only atomic number increases by only one unit. And also, even though atomic number is increases, here nuclear charge increases. So here main reason is with increasing nuclear charge, because atomic number increases means the number of protons, number of electrons increases. Particularly number of protons means that is nothing but nuclear charge. So with increasing nuclear charge, size decreases. So this is the reason, students, in a period atomic radius decreases from left to right with increasing atomic number. Even though atomic number increases, nuclear charge increases, so size will be decreases. So this is the atomic radius, students. Next one is ionization energy. Ionization energy, ionization potential, ionization enthalpy, All are same students. Actually, what is ionization potential? The amount of energy required. The amount of energy required to remove electron. To remove electron. To remove electron from isolated gaseous atom. Isolated gaseous atom in ground state is known as ionization potential or ionization enthalpy or ionization energy. That means, see here students, one electron is present here from center to nucleus to outermost electron. There is a large distance. More the distance. In case of rubidium students, see here, I'm giving tick mark. So in case of rubidium, from nucleus to outermost electron, there is a more gap, more distance is possible. More the distance, less attraction. So this electron experiences the less attraction of nucleus, then it is easy to remove. So we have to remove this electron from outermost shell. So then we have to apply some amount of energy to the electron. Then electron gets excited and it will comes out. So the energy required to remove this electron, outermost electron, is known as ionization potential. Actually, in case of rubidium, consider in case of cesium also, distance will be increases more and more. So nucleus and the outermost electron distance will be more. Higher the distance, that means more the distance, less attraction is possible. Less attraction means we can remove the electron very easily. So easily removes means we need less ionization energy. So that means in a group, ionization energy decreases due to increasing atomic size. So in case of lithium, we can write the order also. So Li less than sodium less than potassium less than rubidium less than, we said decreases. So decreases means the top one is having higher. So lithium greater than sodium greater than potassium greater than rubidium greater than cesium. So we should write plus also because we are considering about removal of electrons. So this is in case of group. So what about period, students? Period means reverse, no? So ionization energy increases because due to decreasing size. Size decreases means atomic size decreases means that the electron is very close to nucleus. See here students, in case of lithium, very small distance from nucleus to outermost electron is possible. Less distance, more attraction, removal of electron is very difficult. Then we need more high ionization energy. That's why in period ionization energy increases. Units for ionization energy. So electron volts or kilojoules or kilocalories. So actually 1 electron volt equal to 96.45 kilojoule equal to 23.06 kilocalories. So normally, suppose we are taking one element M in a gaseous state. So now we are going to remove one electron from this. That means it becomes M plus because losing of one electron. So this is nothing but ionization 1, because we are removing one electron. Now see the students, compared to M, in size wise, M is larger, M plus is smaller, because electrons are removed. One electron is removed means positive charge increases, it attracts the electrons very close to each other, then size will be decreases. So size wise, M greater than M plus. Now M plus is having lower size. So from M plus again we are going to remove one more electron. Then it becomes M2 plus. This is in gaseous state, students. So from M plus we are removing one more electron. Then it becomes M2 plus. That means it is nothing but ionization energy 2, second ionization energy. Actually, here important point is IE1 less than IE2. Why IE1 less than IE2 is, compared to M plus is smaller size. So smaller size means from on valence electrons, nuclear attraction is more. So nuclear attraction is more means removal of electrons is very difficult. That means we have to apply more energy. That means IE2 is higher. So IE1 less than, IE2 less than, IE3 less than, and so on. So by removing electron, size will be decreases. If size decreases means electrons removal is becomes very difficult. Is it okay, students? So next main thing is next main important points are factors. Factors affecting ionization potential. So already I said one main point. First one is atomic size. Atomic size increases means distance between nucleus and valence electron is very small. Then removal of electron is very easy. That means low ionization potential. So atomic size increases, ionization energy decreases. Is it okay, students? Next point is nuclear charge. Nuclear charge. Nuclear charge means the main positive charge present in the nucleus, because some of the protons and neutrons charge is totally positive charge only. So totally in nucleus, what is the charge? Positive charge. So if positive charge, that means nuclear charge increases, size will be decreases. Size decreases means if nuclear charge increases, size decreases. Size decreases means removal of electrons is very difficult. Very difficult means ionization energy is higher. So nuclear charge increases, ionization energy increases. So next third point is screening effect. So already I explained in previous classes what is screening effect. So in orbits some electrons which are between the nucleus and valence electrons or act as a wall and stop the nucleus attraction up to that level. Then valence electrons does not feel nuclear attraction. Then the removal of electrons is very easy. So more the screening effect, removal of electrons is easy. That means the low ionization energy. So higher the screening effect, there is no attraction of the valence electrons. Removal is very easy. Easy means low ionization energy. So screening effect increases, ionization energy decreases. Next, fourth one, extent of penetration. Extent of penetration. So here penetration means closeness to the nucleus. Closeness to nucleus. Actually, in case of S, P, D, F, which are very close to nucleus, S orbitals are very close. Very close means removal of electrons from S orbitals is very difficult. Very difficult. So difficult means high ionization energy is required. So extent of penetration means very closeness to the nucleus. Actually, s orbitals are very close to nucleus. Removal of electrons is very difficult. So high ionization energy is required. Next, fifth point and the last one. So half filled or fully filled. Half filled or fully filled orbitals. Actually, half filled or fully filled means orbitals will get more stability. More stable means high ionization energy is required. Actually, in case of nitrogen, one example, nitrogen 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 2p3 means, students, 2p3 means half filled. This is a half filled. Half filled means more stable. More stable means the removal of electrons is difficult. More stable means electrons removal is difficult. Electrons removal is very difficult. So high ionization energy is required. So either half filled or fully filled, those are more stable. Removal of electrons is very difficult. So high ionization energy is required. So these are the factors affecting the ionization potential, students. Effective nuclear charge, Z effective. So due to electron, nuclear charge felt some net attraction, some charge. So that is called effective nuclear charge. The net nuclear charge actually felt by electron is called effective nuclear charge. Actually, around the nucleus, electrons are moving. So electron felt some nuclear charge. So that charge is nothing but effective nuclear charge. Actually, it can be calculated by two methods. So first one is Z equal to square root of E into N square by 1312 kilojoules per mole. So here actually E means ionization energy. And we have one more formula also. Z effective equal to Z minus S. Actually, we are using this formula for solving Z effective. Here Z means nuclear charge. Nuclear charge. S means screening constant. Screening constant. So we can calculate for